Wow! It sounds like a spaceship. Wow.
Baby, you are on my mind. All I think about, and I don't wanna stop. I don't wanna stop.
We got a new camera that we don't know how to use.
Yeah, literally. So if this is really dodgy, if the sound's dodgy, if it looks dodgy, we apologise. But hopefully the quality's better.
Yeah. And hopefully we won't have to stop every half an hour to bloody keep turning the camera on and off.
Yeah, so we have a new camera and it's a momentous occasion.
Good times. Right,
times.
I need my lip balm. Where did I put that? Oh, my hair. Stunning.
So yeah, today we are back for a for a get ready with us. We aren't going out because, well, we are going out.
We are going out the house.
We're not going out.
No,
we are going
out.
No. Well, I don't know, it's a night and we're going out.
True. Put two and two together.
But you know, you have to take what you can get nowadays with COVID. So in the current climate, like people always say.
In the current climate.
Yeah, we're going to this place in our city basically, which is like an outdoor like food and drink place. Yeah. Yeah. That's where we're going. I'm getting ready for it.
I'm getting ready for it, so we thought we'd film.
And we ain't got long, so it's going to be rushed.
Let's do this. Let's do this. So I've got Maybelline Superstay, as usual.
Nice.
In the shade Warm Sun.
But yeah, I have just put on Primark double coverage, like the copy of the, what is it? Estee Lauder one.
Estee Lauder double wear.
Yeah, mixed with True Match, because it is a lovely combo. Because I personally don't, I do like the Primark one, but it's quite thick.
It is very thick.
And like, I'm not a massive fan of like really thick foundations.
No.
I just feel like you can feel them like sitting on your skin.
Definitely.
But True Match is lovely. Like, I literally love True Match.
I've never used it. I feel like I should try it out.
Oh yes, literally one of my faves.
What's the coverage like?
I would say medium.
Medium, yeah.
But like the finish is so nice. It just looks like your skin.
Sorry if the quality's changed.
Yeah, because the camera just died.
Like, honestly, why are we just failures?
We actually give up.
We give up. We give up with this. Get ready with us.
This journey. We honestly have.
We've had. Sorry, but we better be good on YouTube because we've had one of the hardest journeys, I think, with this bloody thing.
Yeah, I hope you guys know the effort and time going into this.
Yeah, because we've had a hard time. Oh, this is a horrible brow pencil. Not gonna lie.
Is it?
It's really annoying.
It's my new brow pencil. So excited to use it.
Obviously, me and Izzy was going on about the brow sketch, but I've just run out, and I bought about 4 in Colchester when we went for a meal. And
have you used them all?
I think I've used them all. Yeah.
Crikey.
I know.
You know when you can just tell your makeup's gonna go bad and you're gonna look shit? Yeah, that's what
it's not. Don't say that. Oh, my makeup's going rubbish.
Thanks a lot, Rachel. Thanks a lot.
My hair, I look like something from, what's that show about the Tudors? Is it the Tudors or Elizabethans?
Oh, yeah.
About in that house? Downton Abbey, that's it. I don't know if I got the time scale right though. I don't know what time they're from.
No, I've got absolutely no idea.
Not a clue.
Not something I watch.
No, me neither. My mum has got like really into Dancing on Ice.
Has she?
She used to hate it. Like she'd always be like, no, we're not watching that. And to be fair, I wasn't bothered anyway because I didn't really watch it.
Yeah.
But she went round my auntie's and my auntie put it on and she came home, she was like, right, we're putting on Dancing on Ice. I love it. Yeah. Because whatever my mum watches, we all have to watch. It's kind of her decision.
Yeah.
So yeah, we watched it the other week and it was quite good. I've got a bubble in my throat.
How do you keep getting bubbles in your throat?
I don't know.
Wow. Why was that literally like something from The Exorcist?
I've got those Primark knickers on and I think they've shrunk in the wash because they're really thongy. Like they really are going up the crack-a-moose. Don't really know what I'm doing my eyeshadow, to be honest. I'm kind of just winging it.
Yeah, I've just done a little wing. Speaking of winging.
Lovely. Speaking of the old wings. I'm really excited for tonight.
Yeah, me too.
It's just nice to get out again, isn't it?
I'm using this palette, by the way. Absolutely love it. It is,
so nice.
This is the 16
shades. That looks more than 9.
It's more than 9. This is a 16. Oh, it literally says it on the front. Okay. This is the 16 colour palette by Beauty Bay. It's the fiery one. Absolutely love it. Look at those shades. Stunning. I got this.
It's really nice.
I didn't get it on Black Friday. I got it like before because they were doing some other thing. But yeah, look at those. Haven't really used it that much.
They had it on Black Friday. Really good price?
Yeah, this was 30% off. So this was like the same price as the 9 shade one should be normally. And I bought, I don't know if you can see the big one up there. I've bought that for my makeup kit as well.
Yeah, I have the big one. It's so good.
Yeah.
So they have that obviously, is it 24, I think?
I think so, yeah.
So 24, they have a 12, they have a 9, and they have a 6? 3, 6. Oh no. No, a 9, a 9, do they?
I think so.
Wow.
No, not a 3. I think they have this one,
3.
a 9, and
I was going to say, what's the point of having just a 3?
3 colours. Yeah, I just thought I probably wouldn't use all the colours in the bigger one for myself personally.
Yeah,
so I just bought
true.
this one for myself.
Yeah.
But I'm really liking the dark brown for my winged liner.
Lovely. I'm using the BH Cosmetics Sylvia Garni Beauty. I don't know who that is, do you?
Nope.
Interesting. But I don't know if it's like a collaboration or something, must be. But it's got very nice shades in it.
Stunning palette.
Really nice. And this shade here, Prince, is really nice in a corner because it's super like bright.
Let me see. See, that looks quite similar to that.
It does
doesn't it?
actually, yeah.
I was thinking that colour there is going to look really nice.
On the inner corner. You're like this,
So I'm
trying to
just
read
reading
at
a
the same
message.
time. What am I going for now? I don't even know what I'm doing. So I've just popped, can you see that in a corner there? Stunning.
Popping.
Isn't that just popping?
Wow!
Wow!
Didn't even see it.
Wow! Wow! You can see it now. It's bloody popping in your face.
So I laminated my brows the other day, and literally, I haven't done them for ages. I don't know why, because now I've done them and I literally love it.
You haven't done it for ages. Your brows are naturally kind of laminated anyway, aren't they?
Yeah, they brush up quite easily. Anyway.
That's been really attractive.
Sorry about that. You know what is the only annoying thing about doing a get ready is you can't listen to music.
Oh, that's so true.
I was literally thinking this on the way here.
Yeah.
Like, literally, because we do a get ready pretty much every time we do anything.
Yeah.
We just never listen to music anymore.
No, that's the thing. Like, we could listen to music on pre-drinks, but generally when we do a get ready with us, we have no time. So
No,
we're just like
literally.
rushing out the
Yeah.
door.
You want a drink, by the way? Because I've actually got like a couple
Have
of
you?
vodka lemon and lime.
See, I'm out of this routine. I don't know what to do anymore.
What's the time?
Is Ellis back?
No.
I thought I heard people downstairs.
1 passion fruit martini.
Nice.
4 vodka lime and lemonade, and I've got a blood orange cranberry cinnamon cider.
Ooh.
On.
Can I have the vodka lime and lemonade?
Yeah, that's fine. I'm going to have the passion fruit martini if you don't mind.
Yeah, of course. Oh, looks lovely. Thank you. I'm excited to just have some drinks, to be honest. We both aren't working tomorrow, so
Yeah.
who knows what could happen.
R.I.P.
R.I.P. us. R.I.P. Lottie and Belle.
Right, I've got mascara on my face. There. But it's
Oh,
alright.
yeah.
I'm going to wait for it to dry and then I'll flip
Crossed
it
it
off.
off.
I'm
Crossed it off.
not going to let these things upset me.
No.
Already got upset today.
She's been working all day.
I've been at work all day on a Sunday.
On a Sunday. Who works on a Sunday?
I know.
Isabel. We're going to go to IKEA just after Christmas, so that we'll vlog that. That'd be fun, won't it?
Yeah, I mean, I am planning on only getting like 2 things, but can guarantee we'll get more. I mean, it always happens, doesn't it?
It always happens.
You'll get there and you'll be like, oh, I really need that actually.
Yeah. Oh, actually, I've always wanted one of these.
Always wanted that.
Zach always has a go at me because I'm like, oh, I've wanted one of them for ages. He's like, ages.
Yeah.
I'm like,
Ages? How long?
Maybe 2 days.
Yeah.
I'm also using Pillow Talk Charlotte Tilbury.
Oh, no.
Delicious. And I didn't have any lip gloss. Do you have any lip gloss?
Nice.
Did I bring any? No, I don't think I did.
Have you ever worn Fenty?
Yeah.
Have you?
On a night out once. I think you took it on a night out. And it's really nice, isn't it?
No, I feel like it would look really nice with that lipstick. That's why I gave it to you.
Oh, thank you. Oh, yeah. Whoa.
Wow, that's nice.
Oh, it's delicious as well.
Yeah, it's really nice, isn't it? It tastes lovely. I really want to try some of the lighter ones. I think there's one called Fussy and one called Sweet Mouth.
Oh, nice.
And I really want the sweet. Like Fenty's Fussy is like white. I don't really want that one.
Okay.
But it's lighter and literally Sweet Mouth looks so nice.
Does it?
Yeah.
Is it like a nudie white?
Yeah, it's like yeah, it's just lighter.
Light
And I
nude.
do like that one, but if I haven't got any tan on, I don't like it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like I don't really like my life without tan on. I haven't got any at the moment.
I haven't got any on at the moment either. How?
God, so I was meant to tan last night and I got home from work, so I've been working all weekend.
Yeah.
I got home last night and I had such a migraine.
Oh yeah, you did.
So yeah, I didn't drink enough yesterday and I get migraines when I didn't drink enough.
Yeah.
So I got home and I literally ate my tea and I went to sleep at 6:30 last night. And I woke up at 11, literally didn't know what my name was, didn't know what year it was. I was literally like, fuck. I woke
waking up from a coma.
I had like 3 missed calls from from my dad on WhatsApp video.
Oh God.
I was like, oh God. And then I had to
Jesus.
message him. I messaged him and like the message didn't really make a lot of sense because I was like half asleep, but I felt really bad because I missed it. I had all these messages from people. I was like, what's going on?
Oh, that sounds really stressful.
It was really stressful. But I had to. And even at 11 when I woke up, I still felt a bit sick.
Oh,
I get
God.
migraines and I go from my head to my stomach and then I'm just sick. If I don't go to sleep, I just throw up.
Oh God, I'd hate to have that.
Only because you hate being sick.
I hate it. I couldn't deal with that. I couldn't deal with that.
No.
It's because you know when you get a headache, you're like, right, I'm going to be sick.
Oh yeah, literally. If I don't go to sleep within, I would say maybe like 2 hours of getting a migraine, I vomit. And I can literally, it's a weird thing, I can literally feel it like going down and then I just feel it in my stomach and I'm just sick.
Oh God, absolutely not. I have like phobia of being sick.
Yeah, she has a metaphobia.
Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
I don't know if I'd like curl my hair a bit. 'Cause I've got
I'm going to curl my hair like
Can I quickly use them? Use your curler. Can I quickly use them? Have you got a curler?
I don't know it.
Where is it?
Molly has it because she gave me her GHD Oracle. I mean, you can try this.
Oh,
I don't know how to use it, but you can try.
Let's try it out, guys. Izzy's friend Molly has lent her this.
We've done a hair tool swap basically, and she's got my Mark Hill like pick and mix thing, and I've got her GHD Oracle.
That's
which I still haven't tried because I just haven't had time.
No, and at least this can be like a little. We can both try it.
I think it takes like a bit of getting used to.
What? How do you actually use it?
I'm not
What
really
is
sure, to be honest.
Interesting. This could
You
be really
basically-
interesting. Do you twist it?
You put it in and you just like run it down. It like comes out curled.
Oh my God.
And this is really expensive.
Wow! It sounds like a spaceship. Oh, I'm nervous. So I just slide it down as if I'm straightening
I
it.
think so.
I'm doing this in the.
Keep going. Oh my God.
No, stop. That's like a freaking blow dry.
Look at that.
Don't. I'm going to want one of these. I'll pay this money now. Wow. Hang on. I think I need to brush my hair.
Trying to go over the knots. Please don't expose me. Look at that hairbrush. I am rotten.
Crusty. Yeah, that was a knotty hair. A knotty hair. Just one.
Is it
Singular.
making that noise? Wow.
So is it meant to be better for your hair?
I don't really know. I think it cools it as you're curling it as well.
Wow.
So it like sets it in place. Can I use your brow gel in a minute?
Yeah, of course you can.
Wow, this is a clear brow gel, by the way, guys.
Looks like a concealer.
It literally does.
Wow, that is just
Wow.
stunning, isn't it?
So nice.
Oh, it's really pretty. Really, really pretty. I might have to get one. I wonder if they were probably on bloody Black Friday, weren't they?
Well, when they first came out, you could only get them in salons. Like, you
Really?
literally couldn't buy them for
Oh my
anywhere else.
God.
And I'm talking like 300 quid. Hopefully you don't like it
maybe
that
not.
much.
Maybe not then.
I need some lipstick. Oh, I've
Yeah.
bit in the end.
I haven't.
She's bit in the end already.
I haven't bit it. I haven't bit it.
Bit it. Oh!
Doesn't it taste like a spa, that does?
Yeah, it does.
It was £10 on sale, because I think they're usually like maybe 15, 16, 17-ish.
Yeah.
18, 19.
20.
Oh,
So my makeup
I'm
look
so
alright, doesn't it
excited.
really rank?
No, it looks lush.
Okay.
Why would it look rank?
I just feel like I got really, really quickly on a little cry.
No, it looks lush.
Right, I'm going to use MAC Yash because I've used it in
Yash.
ages. Look how small it is.
MAC Yash, I love Yash.
Me too. God, I want everyone to love Velvet Teddy.
Yeah, I don't like it
No,
anymore.
neither do I. I literally just picked it up and I'm like, nah.
It's quite like pink, I think.
It just doesn't suit my skin tone. I
No,
don't
it
think.
doesn't really. I don't think it ever suited mine.
No, everyone just wore it.
Everyone just wore it because everyone wore it.
And then I'm going to use my Clinique lip gloss
Nice.
in Clinique Pop. And I don't think I actually sell this anymore. But it's like literally my all-time favourite gloss, which is really sad that they don't sell it. It's like a really light pink.
Yeah, it's really nice.
I just love it, yeah. Yeah, I think I'm done.
Oh, I can't see. Honestly, I went for an eye test yesterday.
Did you?
Yeah, because I haven't had one for about 3 years. And my eyes have gotten worse. I've
I'm surprised.
I've gone from a 1.75 and a 1. So this is my 1.75 and a 1.
Is 1.75 worse?
Yes, the
one,
worst one. This is now a 2.75 and this one's now a 2. So I've gone up a whole step.
Oh dear.
Yeah. not good.
That is a problem that cannot be fixed.
So I'm getting contact lenses this week.
Are you?
Yeah, going for a trial.
Are you still going to get
Laser? Yeah, I think so. I don't know if like you have to wait till you're a certain age in case your eyes are like still changing. I don't know.
Really?
Probably not.
Or did you just make that up?
I just made that up. Okay, so the key with this is definitely small sections.
Is it?
If you have a big section, it really drags. So
Okay.
small sections, 100%.
100%.
Your hair looks really cute. Have you curled it?
I done it with my rolly thingy.
It looks really
That over
cute.
there. I'm just going to go over it a couple of times.
Yeah.
For a couple of sections, I think. But then I'm just going to have a hat on, so it's
Yeah,
going to be
exactly,
covered.
it's gonna
So I
be
just
covered.
wanted the ends to be like a bit bouncy, but they're actually still quite bouncy. Considering I've had it in a ponytail all day. Don't know what to wear.
I wonder what this would do to my fringe. Should I try it?
You could regret it, but it's fine. You're wearing a hat.
Oh yeah, I'm wearing a hat. Right,
No
let's
one
try
can see
it.
the fringe.
I can't really see right now, but...
Ooh. Dear.
Oh god.
You're like a cockatoo. What about if you try and like bend it?
Wow.
Looks really nice.
Thank god I'm wearing a hat.
Oh, I haven't even
Right.
opened this.
I'll just finish this side and then I'll parse it over.
Yeah, it's fine. That was my drink.
That sounded like the
Not my
devil.
bottom.
Why is that now doing that?
We'll leave Lottie to finish her hair.
Why is that doing that though?
Right, okay, we'll see you in a minute. Once we're ready, we'll show you what we're wearing.
Okay, here we have
Okay, so I've only got one glove
Lottie
on.
in her natural habitat. Oh my god, she's got one glove on. You look like
Right.
Michael Jackson.
Yeah, Michael Jackson.
Yeah.
So,
Should we start from the bottom?
yeah, let's start from the bottom now we're here. So I've got these Kappa socks on. Then these are some leggings
you can see
from
that, they're, like,
Stradivarius.
ribbed.
They're ribbed.
Yeah.
They're like the Zara ribbed ones. Then I've got this from H&M.
She also has a
yeah.
khaki top on underneath. We're layering up here.
A Primark khaki
That was a
roll
full on
neck
like boob
underneath.
shot
Yeah.
then, sorry.
And then I've got this lovely,
Oh.
nice warm coat on from Primark.
So
that you
nice.
will see in the Primark haul.
So
coming
nice.
next. Really nice, really warm, like a duvet.
Yeah.
And then I've just got these gloves on from Primark.
And a
Oh
hat.
yeah, my hat is from
Khaki
Carhartt
Carhartt hat.
Khaki Carhartt.
Lovely,
show
stunning, love
yours?
it, yeah.
So what are you wearing? Let's start from the bottom.
Okay, so I'm wearing white Reebok Classics.
Lovely.
Socks from my brother.
Nice.
That you gave
Thanks,
me.
Zach.
My leather New Look black leggings, which I always wear.
Lovely.
I'm wearing literally so much stuff under here. I'm wearing a black high neck top underneath this, a nice t-shirt.
Oh my god, I didn't know you were wearing that.
Yeah, and my cream like quarter zip that I got from ASOS Men's. that I
Lovely.
always wear. This hat was actually £2.50 from Primark.
It's really
This is
nice.
my new love in my life.
Oh, it's
This
beautiful.
is from Zara. It's I don't know. It's called mink. I would say it's like a cross between grey and khaki.
Yeah.
I would say.
Yeah, it's lovely.
not like as green as your hat, but it's still like a little bit khaki.
Very nice.
But yeah, it's literally nice, really nice length, and you can like pull it in with these elastic bits at the
Very
side.
nice, adjustable.
Yeah, and it's got a hidden hood in the zip.
I was wondering if it had a hood.
Yeah, it's hidden in the zip, which I
Wow,
love.
very nice.
And I'm also Charlotte sent me some cream Primark gloves. So
Lovely, nice. So yeah, we really hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
yeah, and leave us a like and a comment.
Thanks for watching. Bye.